what is up? Today I wanted to do a swatching video on these cute little gel eyeliners from Colourpop. I bought them as part of a vault collection, and I actually just filmed a makeup look on this, what we have going on here. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm filming these in the same day. That's why I'm in the same sweatshirt, and I was gonna change to try to fool you, but truth be told, I'm cold and I have finally warmed this hoodie up and I don't want to take it off. That's all that there is. That's the honest truth. If you watch that makeup look, you'll also know that I'm being a little sensitive with my lower lip, and if you watch it, you would know why. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get jumped into this. I wanted to buy this collection to switch out some old eyeliners, and I think these are so pretty. So I actually have this last one called Charmer on my lower eyelash right now, but I'm gonna do this video exactly how I did the Colourpop Lippy Pencil swatch video, and I'm gonna show you guys on my arm. I know that that might not be as like obviously you're not going to see it on my eye is the point, but I didn't want to put these on, take them off, put them on, take them off all day because I have kind of sensitive eyes, and this way I thought you guys might get a better idea on the color of them. So I already can tell you that I love the formula of these. Like I said, they're called a cream gel liner, and they're just that. They're very smooth and kind of almost even soft. I don't know, they're very, very nice. We're gonna get zoomed in on my arm here. We're gonna do a couple swatches. I think this video is going to fly by because we're only doing a few, but I really want to try to do some videos like this where you get a lot of use. I don't know, just like a good reference video for some of these things, because this might either persuade you into buying it if it looks good, or it might keep you from buying it if you think I have all of those colors already, or that's not really what I'm looking for. Sometimes I think that websites can be a little tricky, a little tricking on purpose or not. Sometimes it's just hard to tell on makeup websites how the things actually look in person, so I'm hoping to help you guys out with that. So let's go ahead and get zoomed in, and we are going to do some swatches. If you guys can see little marks, those are still from the lipstick. I haven't gone all in on removing it, so don't mind that. So first up, we just have a basic white color, and this is called Exit. All right, we're ready. Just a basic white. Would you look at that? You can hardly even see it because I'm so pale. I think this one is super useful. A nude and a white eyeliner. Nude, white, and black. Everybody needs it. Just comes so in handy. Next up is the color Good Reef. Now, I used this color the other day when I was cleaning out my makeup collection. Actually, it's the video that you can see this on in, and I think this is such a cute little pinky color. This is like exactly Piglet's color, which is such a weird thing to compare this to, but tell me that's not a little piglet there. Next up, we have Peach Fuzz. We love anything peach, and it really truly does just look like peach. Kind of like a brown peach, you guys can see. Super pretty. I'm gonna do a close-up when I finish swatching everything so you can see it all together too. Now this one, part of the reason I really wanted this collection is I feel like it's going to definitely get me out of my comfort zone, because some of these colors I'm like, how would I even use that? This is one of them. This yellow liner, this is in the color Extra Frosting, which is so funny. Is that what that said? Extra Frosting. Cute. So here we go. Yeah, just yellow. I mean, I guess I could see using that. But these are very pigmented. If you can tell over my wrist, I've told you guys before, I have super like basically see-through skin when I'm cold, and this is covering super, super well. Next is this cutie little mint color. This is Icebreaker. I love that one. Again, I'm like already thinking, what kind of looks could I use on this? I think that's so cute and pretty. Sticking with green, this one is obviously a good bit darker. This is in the color Catsuit. Do you ever wonder, a makeup namer, how do you, A, how do you get that job? B, how do you keep up with it? How do you keep coming up with new names? This one, yes, okay, Christmas tree. So pretty. This is one I love. I don't know what I would do with it, but this baby blue, sky blue, this is called Prance. The font on this is a little slurred, blurred, and smudged. It looks like it could say France, but I'm pretty sure it says Prance. Oh, yes. I'm way more excited about the eyeliners than I was the lip liners, which ironically, like I said, this is not, like, I normally wouldn't gravitate towards super colorful eyeliner, but I think these are so unique for my collection that I'm super looking forward to them. Whereas the lip liners, I always get a nude lip liner, so I feel like a lot of that collection was nude lip liners. This is like a lot of variety, and that's totally up my alley. This adorable lavender, this is called Cry Baby. super light. Okay, super, super light. Really pastel. They should have called these the pastel collection. Can you even see it on camera? Barely. I'll have to zoom in on that one too. This one here is called Amethyst Hour. I love these names. Ooh, we love that. Holy cow, that's so pretty. I'm not even thinking about these like as far as lining my eyes. I'm literally thinking, what all could I do with an eyeliner since these are so colorful. This beautiful purple, this is Piggy Bank. I think there's a lip liner that matches this basically perfectly. So pretty. I love this wine color. This is so pretty, I think, for like holidays. And like I said, I'm trying to think of all the things I could do with an eyeliner because I just love these colors. But this is called Joyride. I love that one. It's like a wine brown, really pretty. And last but not least is the one, like I said, I have on my eyes right now. This is Charmer, and it's a really pretty purple. So pretty. So I'm gonna get zoomed in so you guys can see everything kind of up close. Here are all the colors. Don't mind my hairy arms. What do you guys think? I mean, look at that white, how just completely it's covered everything. These look so dreamy and creamy. I love them so much. Take a look and tell me which one is your favorite. I love just the basic white, but I really feel like this blue color here, I don't know, my eye's going to that one a lot. I really, really like that one, and I like the lavender, even though you can hardly see that one on camera. I love these two together. Oh my goodness, you guys, that was the whole video. I hope that this was helpful. Like I said, I'm just trying to get it so that you guys can see through my collection what may be a good purchase for you or maybe something that you can skip. I'm so excited to use these. You'll have to tell me which color is your favorite and what kind of looks you might do with them. I'm like, my head is just buzzing with ideas. I know this was a really short video, but I really do hope that you guys enjoyed it, you found it helpful. Let me know what kind of videos you might want to see next. I hope you're having a great day, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Bye.